Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with J, empowered by Magic Needles. Here I am with a beautiful floral motif titled Moorish Medallion. This particular piece I worked with self-striping Aran baby cake anti-pill yarn, and it's a wonderful yarn to work with, and its rounded texture helps me to work very fast, and along with it the clover oak also does the magic. So let's go into the video friends without much delay and learn how to make this Moorish medallion. Chain 8, slip stitch to the first chain and join to form a ring. Now chain 1, this does not count as a stitch. Place 16 single crochets in the chain. So place a stitch marker on the first single crochet so that you are not carried away by the slip stitch. Sorry, the chain 1. So place 16 single crochets and all. I should also make the 16 single crochets and get back to you. We've come to the end of the round here. Now slip stitch to the first single crochet. You can pull this tight later. Chain 1, one single crochet in the same stitch, one single crochet in the next, and in the next place one single crochet, 9 chains and one single crochet. Single crochet, and 9 chains and single crochet in the same stitch. Now one single crochet each on each of the next 3. Again in the next single crochet, chain 9 single crochet, 3 single crochets in each of the 3, single crochet, chain 9 single crochet. Repeat such that you have 4 sets of chain 9 spaces. Come to the end of the round here. We have to place one single crochet here, slip stitch to the first single crochet and join, chain 1 and make a single crochet in the same place where you slip stitch into. Skip the next 2 single crochets and make 2 half double crochets. Sorry, it's half double crochets, not single crochet. 2 half double crochets. We're going to work in the 9 chains. 17 double crochets and 2 half double crochets in 9 chain space. 2 half double crochets, 17 double crochets and 2 half double crochets. Complete the stitches. I shall also complete and get back. We have completed 2 half double, 17 doubles and 2 half doubles in this chain 9 space. Now skip the next 2 doubles and make a double crochet, next 2 single crochets and make a single crochet in the first single crochet. Again make 2 half double crochets, 17 double crochets, 2 half double crochets in the chain 9 space. When you come back here, skip 2 single crochet here, again stitch repeats, again skip single crochets, complete the round. I shall also complete the stitches and get back to you. We've come to the end of this round here. Slip stitch to the first double crochet here, chain 1, and we're going to begin with a single crochet spike. So insert your hook into the stitch 2 rows below, pull up the loop and complete the single crochet, chain 5 now, skip 5 stitches, 1 2 3 4 5. In the 6th make a single crochet and then make a picot. You have the option of chaining 3, slip stitching into the first chain and then chain 5, skip 4, 1 2 3 4, and in the 5th one single crochet, again make a picot, 3, and slip stitch to the first, chain 5, let me switch on the light. Yes, this is better. Skip 4, 1 2 3 4, single crochet, picot, chain 5, and a single crochet spike 2 rows below. Sorry. So repeat the stitch pattern all around on the other 3 petals also. I shall meet you when I come back to this particular spot. We've come back to the point where we started. I've chained 5, slip stitch to the first spike single crochet that we did and fasten off. So let me do it from behind. Sorry. When I do it from behind, I should have my working yarn behind the piece. Only then this binding off will work neat and nice. So here we go. We've completed the Moorish Medallion. It's such a beautiful floral piece, and it can be used for any decorative applique on the garments and on the projects. So thank you friends for watching this video. Hope you liked it. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon. You will be notified of the videos that we upload every other day. Do like and share our videos too, so that it reaches the maximum number of crocheters all over the world. Thank you friends once again. Have a great day. Bye for now.